Hey there guys, Jason Van Amersfoort here, and this week we are talking about when is it time to make a move. It's never an easy decision to make a move, to know when is the right time, if there ever is really a great time to pick up from the home that you know and love and are accustomed to make a move somewhere else. Maybe your family needs more space to grow. Maybe you just need a change of scenery. Maybe your needs and wants have changed and your priorities have shifted. There can be a number of reasons why it can be time for someone as a homeowner to make a move. And maybe there is never a perfect time to make a move at all. But sometimes if your priorities are changing and your values have shifted, maybe it's time for you to make that plunge. The real topic I want to talk about today is that sometimes realtors need to make a move too. Now 2018 is wrapping up. This will be my last update of 2018. And it has been a wild ride. It's been a great year for me professionally. I've come leaps and bounds from where I was 3.5 years ago when I got into the business. And something I've been thinking a lot about for the last couple of months, just as people do when they're moving homes, is it time for me to make a change? Time for me to change the energy, time for me to reevaluate my values and priorities to make the best move for me. It's in a very bittersweet moment that I say that today I am making the change officially from RE/MAX Real Estate Center, where I started my career 3.5 years ago and where I've grown and developed so much, to a new opportunity at Trillium West Brokerage in Kitchener. The process that I went through in making the decision, it isn't easy. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of things to think about, much like when you're buying a home. I had to evaluate if it was even time to really make a move. I had to make a list of my needs and wants. What am I hoping to get out of a change? What am I hoping to get out of a move? I had to look at what else was in the market. Were there places out there that would meet my needs and wants? Is there actually an opportunity for me here? I had to evaluate comparables. I had to weigh the pros and cons of each of the brokerages I was looking at. And at the end of the day, just like I see happen time and time again with buyers, is I had to make the plunge, go with my gut, and go with the understanding that I have done all of the homework that I possibly can to make the best decision for not only me, but for the people who are depending on me. And in this situation, those are my clients, my friends, my family, the people who are looking for me to be a consultant and an advocate for them in the real estate market. For me, 2018 this year was all about making moves and hustling and trusting my gut. That's what led me to start making videos like this, which have proven to be a great resource for people that I work with or people who have inquiries about the real estate market. I've been very active in decisions I'm making about my business. I'm being very cutthroat with myself and disciplined with myself to make sure that I am bringing the value that needs to be brought to the people that I work with. And I think there's no better way to sum up this entire year than to make a decision like this, to make the move over to Trillium West. Trillium West, it's a local brokerage. It carries a lot of the values that I see in the business, and they have a vision for where the industry is going in the next 5 to 10 years that I really agree with and think will be beneficial for everybody that I work with. There will be a lot more information on my social media profiles and on my website about what Trillium West and this move is really gonna bring to everybody that follows me and supports me in my business. And I just wanted to use this as a platform to point out that sometimes realtors need to make a move, and it's that opportunity for growth and that change in values and priorities that has caused me to do this, and I couldn't be more excited. As this is gonna be my last video for 2018, I really wanna thank everybody who's been so supportive of me in this project and in all of the endeavors and undertakings I've taken in 2018. There's gonna be a lot more to come in 2019. I can't wait to keep finding ways to educate people on the real estate market in Southern Ontario. If you ever have any questions at all about real estate, about the market, about me personally, don't hesitate to comment here or send me a message at jvanam. For the last time in 2018 and the last time as a representative of RE/MAX Real Estate Center, I would like to thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time. If you want to check out more videos from me right now, be sure to check out this playlist right up here. I think you'll like it a lot. If you want to keep up with videos that I upload going into the future, be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell to make sure you're notified every time. Thanks so much. See you next year.